Attach the backrest to the recliner frame by lining up the metal grooves on the backrest with the brackets on the inside of the frame. Make sure the backrest slides completely down over the brackets. Locate the two white wires and connect them together. This connects the electronics for the backrest and the frame so they work together. Locate the large black wire on the frame and attach the recline lift remote to it to connect the recliner controls. Locate the small black wire on the lower base of the chair and connect it to the recliner transformer. Be sure to lock the connection when attached. Connect the power cord to the transformer. Move the remaining wires behind the frame. Insert the recliner power cord into the small black wire port. Connect the remote wire to the large black wire port. Be sure the cords are alleged before connecting. Using the Velcro on the back panel, fold down the back flap and secure in place.